Meaning of gazelle.
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 Gazelle. Gazelle refers to a graceful and swift African antelope with long, slender legs and distinctive curved horns. These herbivorous animals are known for their exceptional speed, agility and endurance, making them difficult prey for predators such as lions and cheetahs. The word gazelle is also used metaphorically to describe someone who is similarly fleet-footed or light on their feet, or to describe an object that is similarly sleek and elegant in form or movement. Overall, gazelle represents swiftness, grace, and beauty in both the animal kingdom and in human language and culture.